What are 3 simple things that you think people should know when they are just learning how to use Canva?
Background removal. That is, essential. Also, there's a box that you can check to download your image without a background, and that is one that I use all of the time. And also the text effects. I think there are some really interesting text effects that you can play around with, and they just can help kind of lift if you have text on like a thumbnail or something, it just really helps to lift that word out of the page a little bit. So those are my top 3.
Which your favorite text effect?
If you wanna see super helpful tutorials on Canva, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Ding. Oh, my favorite text effect is lift.
Really?
Yeah. I use it in so much. I use it in so much. It's subtle, but I bump it up as high as it can go, and I just think it really helps, like, especially for the mixaras, I'm doing kind of very, incorrect. They're not like what we're taught to do as a thumbnail, and they seem to be really working, and I lift text out of the
Wazoo?
our lift text out of the wazoo. Yeah, no, but it just helps because I often will just use a photo, any like a and there's all sorts of stuff going on in the background. So to have something that kind of separates the text a little bit from the background is really, really helpful.
The reason why I said really, so with the shadow effect, you could actually change the color of that lift effect. So that's why I was surprised that you just said lift and not shadow,
Mm,
because
that's true.
you could change the color to be not black, but slightly off black or even some of the other colors. But yeah, we all know that my favorite one is outline.
You love it. Yeah. That's great. It's your brand. That's fantastic.
If you notice the thumbnails that have like harsh outlines, you'll know that I was in a hurry and I just threw the thumbnail together. But when it's a little more rounded, you'll know that I took the time to actually download the text and do it a different way. Yeah. Next, hear about 3 more skills that you should know how to do in Canva. See you next time. Bye.